So, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll show how to design a flower can in Solidworks software by using the flex command. So, before going to start, I'm requesting everybody if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Now, I'm going to start creating a new file. Part is selected. Okay. I'm taking in millimeters, so units is millimeter gram per second. mmgs is selected. Then front plane is taken, going to the normal and sketch, taking a line. Sketching a line. Advanced click OK. Then determine the dimension. I'm taking before dimension. I'll select the letters. Now I'm taking this line. One click, another click, another click, and another click. Reference click, select. Now I'm going to determine the smart dimension, taking this length is 300 millimeters and the distance from here to here, taking the 75 millimeters, and the distance from here to here 200 millimeters. Okay, and the distance from here to here 70 millimeters, and the distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. Okay, see, now I'm taking this one is also 30 millimeters, and this one is taking 60 millimeters. Exit. Now see, after that I'm going to exit it, then going to the features, revolve boss is selected. Now I want to revolve by axis this line. Okay, 360 degree, done. I am taking the front plane again normal, and I'm going to click sketch. I'm taking a center line, sketching a center line from here to here. I'm going to click OK. Then taking the line and sketching a spline is again spline, and sketching from this point. Second click, another click, another click. I'm going to click OK. After that, going to determine the dimension, the distance from here to here. Vertical distance is 75. Okay, and the distance from here to here is 70 default. Then the distance from here to here, I'm taking this one is 70, and the distance from here to here, I'm taking this one is 20, and the distance from here to here is 200. Okay, done. Then exit it. Then I'm going to sweep boss and select the circular profile. See, its radius is so small, so I'm taking this one is 40. Then see, and it will be upwards, so I'm going to align with end spaces. Now it's aligned. Now I'm going to OK. See, after that going here and circular pattern is selected. Then I'm selecting this here sweep is selected, going here, and this edge is selected. Now I'm going to the downwards. Okay, here order unsigned, unselected, selected, and taking the 12 numbers. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting this one, then going to the fillet, then selecting this one, and I'm selecting this one. 11 pieces and the 12 pieces is selected. So then I'm taking this radius is 2 millimeters. Then okay, done. See, then I'm going to fillet and select this one. I'm taking this one. Also the upper one is selected. Upper one is also selected. And the 24, 21 is selected. Now I'm taking this one is 5. I'm taking this one 5 millimeters. Now see, after that I'm going to use the shell command. Click here, I'm going to shell, and I'm taking this one is the 10 millimeters. Now I'm taking this is the 5 millimeters. Okay, the thickness is 5 millimeters taken. It's not taking the 5 millimeters, so I'm taking this one is 7 millimeters. Okay, it's also not taking, so I'm taking this one is the 10 millimeters. See, it's taking or not. Okay, now it's take. Now see, after it, I want fillet again, so I'm going to fillet and selecting this space. Both sided will be filleted, and I'm taking this one is 1 mm. Okay, wait, still done. Now see, now I'm going to select the materials. I'm selecting this plus, okay, textures plus not very well. So okay, glass fiber is taken. Now selecting this one. Okay, see, after that I want to use the flex command, so I'm going to the insert and features. Flex is taken. Then I'm selecting this face. So this face is selected. It's taking time. Here two faces is plate is selected, one plate and another plate. I want to fix this place and this will be rotate. So I want to not bend. I want to twisting here, and the angle I'm taking this one is 120. See, bend this over. The power is showing now. It's taking few seconds. So wait please. Wait a few seconds. It's taking more time. Hang the PC. Okay, I think got it. Now everybody was what is the happen? The flower can is done. See again. Got it everybody how to sketch in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you everybody for watching this video.